Did you know that this beautiful balsam tree is nature's band-aid? I spent a lot of hours as a child outside in the bush just popping them, popping them and popping them and popping them. It was one of my favorite things to do. But yeah, so if you have any little cuts or scratches, get your sap, put it on there. It's waterproof, covers it up beautifully, and it makes sense as when trees get a cut or someone cuts a branch off or the birds peck a hole, it starts to sap there, and that's how it heals itself. So it makes sense that it's healing for us as well.